Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Legendary Market. What products do they actually sell? A lot of people have a question about all the different products, so I'm going to go over all the different products, and if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which is the best and least expensive way to get started with Legendary Market. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about Legendary Marketer, different products they have. I'm going to go through a brief description what these products are for, who these products are for, and how much their investment is. The first product I'm going to talk about is 15-day online challenge, online business builder challenge. Now, this is a course for 15 days. And it's a drip course, so it's actually when you sign up, you got unlocked product for the next 4 days, and after that you do have a one-on-one call with the business plan advisor, and after that he goes through it and unlocks the next 4 to 5 days. So this is a course for anybody who wants to get started Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, or people who are looking to start their online business but doesn't know where to start, what exactly they have to do, or what kind of skills they require to start a business course. So this is for them, so they can get started and investment is only $7. With $7 you can get started with this course, go through the 15 days, and the value you get is really amazing. I went through the course and I highly recommend it. Next product the Legendary Marketer said is the Legendary Marketer Club. What it is combination of video course, all the video trainings that Legendary Marketer does, and it's ongoing, and they keep on adding it to here where you can go and grab it, and it's a monthly subscription of $30. Let me go ahead and click it and actually show you the checkout. It is monthly subscription of $30 per month. So within $30 per month you are on this course, and you get the video training and of all the current plus any previous ones you have. The next one is the traffic Rolex bundle. What exactly it is anybody who wants to have the offer, wants to get an influence for their coaching, consulting, whatever they want to do online. They need traffic, they need eyeballs for people to look at their course or look at themselves. So advertising on site, let's say YouTube, Facebook, Google, and all that, they are one of the up there. And the platform, if you're not familiar with it, you can get a lot of different courses. These courses will cost you, some of the courses are really expensive for people who are just starting it, but with the Legendary Market, Dave Sharpe, go ahead and acquire these courses from the top people who are known for their advising or traffic abilities. So what it is this course is a one-time payment of $247. So one-time payment of $247, you can get the traffic Rolex. Now the next one is, it goes up to their high ticket items. Which one is the affiliate marketing, the business blueprint. So for people, especially highly recommended for people who are affiliates, who wants to know more about the affiliate marketing, how to do a proper affiliate marketing. And for this, you do get all of this, the traffic Rolex and all of the other ones. I don't want to go in details, but you can check it yourself. But I do have another video where I can go in detail that I'll put a link in. Now you click on it, there's a purchase. It's like I said, it is high ticket, which is $2,500, but what you get is everything you want to know about affiliate marketing. The traffic, all the support, the help that you can get it, you learn it, how to set it up, and which products to find it, which one is the winner, and or not. The next one is the digital products. Now these are for people who wants to create digital products so that there's no physical products available, such as the digital products, a digital course, ebooks, the book, etc., whatever it is that you can ship it out digitally. This one is similar to the affiliate business blueprint, which is also $150, one-time investment of $250. The next course is for people who are into coaching and consulting. Business blueprint. Now this is for people who wants to get into the coaching, consulting, and have their business be on the online, and how to be successful, and how to create a webinar, how to sell their services. Now this one is, again, it is for $2,500, a one-time payment of $2,500 for all the coaches and all that. Now the next one is the events and mastermind business. Now this is for people who actually wants to create a mastermind of their own products or their own maybe consulting, where they how to have marketers come on there to their mastermind and do networking and all that. But you're not, those people are not familiar with where to start, where to get the masterminds and all that. Well, this is the course for them. It actually tells you exactly, learn how to save on cost, who to hire, where to host your events, etc. And this one is pretty much the same, $2,500, believe it or not. So these are one of their high-end products. Now those are all the main products that Legendary Marketer sells. Well, like I said, I'm going to tell you exact different products that just launched by Legendary Marketer, which is their brand new ebook, which is Affiliate Domination Formula. Which this book, you'd be surprised, it's only $199, right? Wasn't it worth it to stay till the end of the video to find out? It's only $199. Now let me tell you what you actually do get in there. So for investment of $199, you get a free access to 15-day online business build challenge, which itself, if you sign up, is $7. So that's one thing. And within the business builder challenge, you get the personal one-on-one business client consultant, like I explained it. People who wants to go a little more in affiliate marketing, they get the affiliate domination ad and the email templates, and also the free access to Legendary Marketer's private group. So this product is for people who actually, mostly people who are interested in affiliates. This ebook actually give, like I said, there's a tagline: get an unfair advantage over the other failing affiliates who are still wasting their time with solo ads, socializing on Facebook, and spamming groups. So what exactly is in the ebook? So it's divided into 3 parts. The first one is the foundation to successful. Tells you a bit more about why affiliate marketing, why you should get, how to find the hot niches, how to find the best products. The second one is the formula, where to get the high level quality evergreen traffic. Traffic is meat and potatoes for you. How to build a successful landing page, how to scale your affiliate business, how to properly track your metrics, or if you're making, if your campaign or the ad or whatever offer you're doing it is successful or not. And foundation to longevity, such as 3 stages of entrepreneur growth, compliance, and conversion. So you get all that, and it is 50 grit. So I have that, guys, and this is really worth it. Not to mention, on top of that, all the bonuses that you get. Here is all the bonuses that you get on top of that, and it's only for $199. So highly recommend if you want to get started, and especially for people who are in affiliate marketing, who wants to get started into online business, doesn't know where to start it. This is exactly where to get started with the investment of only $199, and you do get access to their one of the top product, which is the 15-day online business course. All right, guys. Now, link is in the description, so go ahead, and highly recommend to start. You got nothing to lose. It's only $199, but the value you get is a lot more. So, and